Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and locate the toggle, which for me is on the second page right over here. Now this is the default location of all the toggles, so hopefully for you it's in the same place. Now once you find it, you can hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to go through it and customize it to your liking. Now just really quickly touching upon things that you can find right here, we have just a toggle to turn it on and off for how long, which defines what happens when you turn it on. Schedule, pre-made, you can add more. If you're planning to use a schedule, do make sure that it is enabled right here. That's all you need to do. And then below that we have exceptions for calls, messages, conversations, alarms, and sounds and apps. So you can go through all of them, customize them, and there you go. And last, we have hide notifications. Now once you went through all the settings and customize them to your liking, all you need to do now is, if you want to manually tug it on, just press on it, and there we go, it's now toggled on. And if you're planning to use a scheduled route, then just make sure that the schedule is turned on, and that's about it. It will turn on and off automatically. And for the manual use, once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to turn it off, like so. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.